Welcome to NLC International with their automated payout system with multiple streams of income. Prepaid with NLC Wireless. Get residual income with PowerSave. Discount benefits for health, vision, and hearing. And there's even more. People around the world are looking for extra money. They look to the internet for the solution. But they quickly realize with the knowledge required that the internet isn't easy. But with NLC International, we've made it easy for anyone to make money quickly using automated marketing. Build your team for multiple income streams using an automated traffic strategy to explode your business. There is more than one way to make money, and the first way is fast. You're put into a 2x1 matrix where you can earn a free $50 gas credit card and $100 in cash directly deposited to your bank account. Or we'll do a direct deposit for the entire $150 to your bank account. Here's how it worked. You found Jerry and you also found Sally. That creates 2 sales. You're paid $150. Earn another $150 when both your frontline cycle. You can do this over and over. But wait, it gets better. You're also put into a 2x3 matrix. And your 2x1 follows you to your 2x3 when they cycle. Then their members complete their cycle. And with the 2x3 form, this gives you a $50 builder bonus. When either of your front line form their own 2x3, you earn another $50 builder bonus. You can also earn bonuses to infinity of levels from all cycles on your team. How much does your job pay you every day? Can you do the things in life that you want? If you're looking for an opportunity to make money from home, look no further. We provide you with the ultimate marketing machine that will help run and build the business for you. You can quickly create an endless stream of income of $150 cash and more. We've heard you loud and clear. You want a simple system. You want to have immediate results. You want something that works. And most importantly, you want a legitimate opportunity. With NLC, you get it all and can get paid daily. Okay, let's go over the pay plan to see how you can take advantage of this unique opportunity. You become a member of NLC and are placed in your upline's 2x1. Now you're ready to get paid daily. When you find just 2 members, that completes your cycle. You get paid the first $150, and that's how fast and easy it is. Because you cycled, you're re-entered into a new 2x1 under your sponsor. Your recruit follows you when they complete their 2x1, and you earn another $150 from free re-entry. The more people you find using our automated system means the more you'll cycle for $150 over and over again. In fact, let's say that you refer Sue to NLC. Then she found John, and John found Jeff. When Jeff found 2 new members, he completed the cycle and receives a $150 bonus. Jeff re-enters under his upline John, helping John cycle. John's re-entry helps Sue cycle. Sue's re-entry helps you cycle, which means that you can cycle with only 1 person. And you're put into a new 2x1 to do it again, which creates a stream of $150 payouts. Okay, the first position in the 2x1 matrix is the corporation itself, which is NLC International. Watch what happens when NLC advertises. NLC created a sale and the subscriber rotation came upon you and is placed in your 2x1. This is powerful. You did nothing. NLC put this member in your downline for you. Don't forget, you're also entered into a 2x3 matrix when you join. With corporate advertising, you'll receive new members as well as your own promotions. Now you're making money on corporate advertising. For every cycle of the 2x3, you receive a $50 builder bonus. Plus, when either of your front line form their own 2x3, you earn another $50 builder bonus. Okay, let's sum it up. From the day you join NLC, you're placed into a 2x1 and a 2x3 combined matrix. When you cycle a 2x1, you make $150 cash. When you and your front line cycle a 2x3, you make another $150 payout. And it all starts with only one cycle, placed into two matrices at the same time, and it's the same cycle. With NLC International, you have the combined matrix of the 2x1 and the 2x3. Daily cycle payouts, smart autoresponder marketing, state-of-the-art personal sites, weekly online leadership channel, and multiple streams of income. You have the opportunity to earn generous commissions, overrides, and residual income from many product sales and services. You can create multiple streams of income to grow your bank account and improve your lifestyle with our flagship companies. And we earn free gas. So can you. Ask us how. You only have to pay once, but you earn forever. Cycle over and over again, and you can cycle every single day. Automated marketing, guaranteed income, a one-time enrollment fee, lifetime membership. There are no hidden costs, instant results, and it's easy to duplicate. Click the Join Now button in the lower left-hand panel and join us in our mission to produce a legacy of wealth with you and experience the time of your life. If you have any questions, please get back to the person that sent you to this video or contact NLC International using the information on the screen so that we can help you. And thank you for your interest in NLC International.